Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Muhammad Mudassar Tabassum. I have a YouTube channel. I have my LinkedIn profile for you people. I have my TikTok account. I have my Facebook account. I have my Instagram account for you people. I keep on posting stuff related to data driven decision making, business intelligence, data analytics, and lot of stuff. So this is end of year, so I decided to make a video that if you haven't learned anything about decision making based on data in 2024, so you should give it a try in 2025 because mark my words, in coming days, business intelligence is going to be the heart of every company. I have seen myself in the current year that at the start of year 2024, there were less jobs being posted for business intelligence analyst. But right now, companies are opening positions for business intelligence because this is different from data analytics, from data engineer, and from business analyst. Because if you have to become a business intelligence analyst, you should have a knowledge of business, you should have knowledge of business processes, you should know how every process works, from where it starts, where it ends, how to rebuild a process, how to re-engineer a process, how to reduce the turnaround time that for every process so you can make things simpler for other people, how to develop a report, how to develop a dashboard, how to make decision making easy for senior management, operational management, second layer, third layer, fourth layer. You have to make dashboards, executive dashboards, operational dashboards, functional dashboards, and the dashboards for the low nth level users in your organization. So mark my words, in coming days, business intelligence. It's a combination of business and IT. But the most important part in business intelligence is understanding the business. So you can add value to the business. This is not a simple data engineer job. Like if you are an expert of any programming language, IT technologies, and you are master of everything, but still you cannot be a BI analyst or BI manager or BI process manager or head of BI. You cannot, because you have to work with every stakeholder, and every stakeholder has no knowledge how to actually convey you what they want. So you have to sit with them, you have to discuss with them, you have to understand their systems, you have to understand their existing system gaps, you have to identify how the data is coming from different sources, how they are actually manipulating the data, structuring the data, and how they are warehousing, doing warehousing of the data. So actually you have to go through a lengthy process of understanding what is happening behind. So IT engineers, data engineers, data analysts make systems, system analysis and design, that was earlier. So they build systems for us. But once you have an ERP installed, you have system installed, and system starts generating reportings, or there are predefined number of reports like 100 reports, 200, 300 reports. Now what? If you need customized analytics, you need in-depth analysis of different scenarios. What you have to do, you have to develop them on cells. What right now we are doing is we use Excel, we use Google Sheets, and we use a lot of other tools to analyze that data. But this can be automated with the one click. You have to learn what is, how to manipulate the data, how decisions can be data driven, based on data. So this is all about that. You should give it a try because this is a highly paid area. A lot of people avoid this field because of this complexity, but once you are into it, you will love it learning this. So because it's 31st December 2024, I haven't made any video from last 2 3 months. I was busy, so I decided to make a short video. So actually, I can convince you people, learn. I can name tools like you can learn for business intelligence, like for data, working on the data, you can learn Google Sheets, you can learn App Script, you can say Power Apps, you can learn Microsoft Excel, you can learn Microsoft Excel Power Query, you can learn Power BI, you can learn Tableau for backend working, even visualization, you can learn Tableau, you can learn Click, you can Hisense. So lot of tools are available in the market that actually those tools help you to build BA solutions on immediate basis, on click basis for you. You just have to understand how this should be done. So this is future, and you should actually learn how to play with the data. If you cannot play with your data, you are even in any department. Mark my words, if you are in any department and you don't know how to reconcile the data, how to get insights from the data, how to automate the data, then future is not bright for you. So you have to keep in mind that you have to learn this. And if you skip now, in future this is going to be tough because tools are coming with very rapid speed. So once you learn one tool, there is another tool, there is another tool, so there is another tool. So most important part is what tools are available to help you, to support you. This is what you have to learn. So I just wanted to make a short video. I am not showing anything in this video. I just wanted to have a discussion with you people within a 10 minutes of video. Thank you so very much. If you need any help regarding this area of business intelligence, you can connect with me, you can ask me, you can watch my YouTube channel. I have uploaded a lot of videos of my trainings. You can get trainings done from me with very low cost. I don't charge very high. You can get trainings, even personalized training, online trainings. I am certified trainer of few companies. You can even ask me. I will refer you to the company. You can get registered. There are a lot of courses developed by me, and we market those courses as well. So end result is just to motivate you people, invest on yourself. We invest on everything instead investing ourselves. So we always miss investing on ourselves. So investing on ourselves, on our learning, growth, health, everything is required. So thank you so very much. Let's hope 2025 comes with the brilliance for you, with the ease and help happiness for you people, and us for as well. Thank you so much. So nice of you. Take care and keep in touch. Bye bye. Thank you so very much.